we're gonna make another episode of making a bunch of different things. Banana things this time. We're gonna make banana muffins from Tartine. They're gonna look like that. Then we're gonna make the cocoa banana bread from Alison Roman's book, Dining In. Last but not least, Joanna Gaines, queen. We love her. Sorry, I got some gunk near your face. We're starting off with the tartine. First you make the crumble and then you freeze it for an hour. So that's frozen. I already made the batter for this one. Oat flour, which I had to make myself. Almond flour, which I had. And then the last one's supposed to be rice flour, but I changed it with regular. It only has one banana and it blends it in a lot at the beginning. So there shouldn't be banana chunks or anything. And it also doesn't have a high proportion of banana. So I'm not sure it's gonna taste a bunch like banana, but this crumble technique seems awesome because I can never get like the big crumbles. They might be a little burnt. Now we're making Joanna Gaines's after school banana bread. And it kind of looks like a cake. There's not much to it. I have a brown sugar in there. This is some salted melted butter. 1 room temp egg. Homemade bourbon vanilla extract. That's what you gotta do. As far as banana chunk goes, I like to go with like a medium chunk. Flour, salt, and baking soda. Okay, that's good. And then I'll just get the... Decided to cook some of the magnolia one. Oh crap. In a cast iron skillet. Oh. Ooh. Now we're on to Alison Roman's. It's the cocoa banana bread. The butter and sugars are creamed, and so now we're gonna add an egg. I'm gonna do one-handed crack again. Now we dump in, this is flour, salt, baking soda, and cocoa powder. I feel like this is wrong. To this, we're adding 2.5 bananas. There are chunks in there. I tried to put it back in the mixer and like blend it so that the chunks would go away, but they're there to stay. So I also checked and I did use all of the right ingredients. Okay, I just pulled out the chocolate banana bread. Actually, I have hope. This is Joanna Gaines's, that's Alison Roman's, and then this is Tartine's. There's like a 50% chance that's actually cooked. You know what? That's actually really good. I doubted her. Well, really, I doubted my cooking methods. Her recipe seems to have worked out well. It just tastes like chocolate cake though. You can barely taste any bananas. The muffin is really, really good. The perfect salt level. I thought I might have overcooked it because it was so dark, but I actually think that it's perfect. So really, really good. So far, this is actually turning out way better than I expected. Last but not least, Joanna Gaines. Definitely the most banana-y. I think I just got a big chunk of like bananas. Very good. Honestly, my favorite is the Tartine muffin. Little bit of an underdog, but pretty good.